Guys, in this video, I've got myself a brand new racing drone. Now, I've never had a racing drone before. I don't know how they work. I don't know how they operate. I don't know anything about them. I'm a complete newbie. I'm a complete novice. I've never flown one. So, you can come on this journey with me and watch me figure it out and laugh at me at my expenses. I'll probably mess it all up. So this is a Eachine Wizard X 220 HV. I think it runs on a 6-cell LiPo, and I've watched a few reviews on YouTube already. This thing is crazy fast. Usually people that do the racing drones, they build them themselves from loads of parts and stuff, and this one here is, I think, almost ready to fly. It's all put together, it's all built. I'm going to somehow try and pair it up with my DX8 transmitter here. I'm going to have to try and figure out how to do it, guys, because I haven't got a clue. So anyway, I'm going to stop waffling and crack it open. Oh, I'm strangely more excited than usual, guys. So we got a packet of propellers. We got an aerial, cable ties, carbon fibre, foam, screws, GoPro mount, and the main thing, the drone. I was in there quite tight. Oh, check it out. So there's no instructions actually in the box. It's got this on the back here, so maybe it's got some instructions on there. I'm going to have a look. I've had a quick look over it, and this is all completely new to me. I mean, the quality of it looks so much better than I expected. I expected something to look a lot more toy-like, but it actually looks really sort of, I don't know if professional's the word, but it does look very professional. It's all carbon fibre look. It's actually got a little bit of weight to it, and it feels really substantial. These motors here just look absolutely epic. And as I said, there's not really anything else that I've got to compare it to. This is the first race drone that I've ever had. It's got the camera up front here. The GoPro mount is going to mount up on here somehow. It looks to be completely built. It's got all the electrics in there. Obviously, I've got to put the props on. I've got to screw the aerial on. How I get it to work with this, I don't know yet. Maybe I need a different radio. I don't know, guys. I'm completely and utterly a complete idiot when it comes to this. I'm looking at some other reviews online. A lot of people reckon that this is the best ready-to-fly or almost ready-to-fly racing drone that there is. So I'm going to put a link to it down below, guys. But obviously, I cannot give you my opinion of it. Because I don't know anything yet. So we're going to do a quick little montage in a minute, but just to finish off the video, guys, this is it. I wish I could tell you more, but I really can't. I think I'm going to have to get a friend in to help me, do a little bit of research online, and then hopefully we can go and have some fun. The idea for me, I can't see myself getting into racing drones. I can see myself having a bit of fun doing all the freestyle stuff maybe. I can't see myself getting properly into it. The main reason I want it is because I want to chase RC cars. I've got DJI Mavic and they just can't keep up with RC cars. They're a bit too docile, they're too smooth, they're more for making nice sort of cinematic sort of type filming. What I want to do with this, I want to be able to chase stuff around. If you've got an X-Max at the BMX track, I want to be able to really get up close and sort of follow it around and get some cool shots. That's the main reason why I want it for. And also it's something new. I've never had it before. It's something new that I can learn about. Another aspect of the hobby that I've not really had any part of yet. So guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. Let me know in the comments, guys. Can I use it with this? Or do I need to buy a different controller for it? Any other tips you want to give me, leave them in the comments down below. So let's have a quick montage, and then that'll be it for this video. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye.